Hello guys, welcome to part 5 of the building a MERN Job Board application tutorial, and in this part we're going to be adding a ViewJobs component to our front-end code. So in the last part we saw how to add a submit job component, and in this part we're going to add a ViewJob component which will let us render the jobs that would have been added to the database. So you'll need to create a ViewJob.js file in the components folder we created earlier and paste this code in that file. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the submit job component, and we'll need to create the ViewJobs component here. Paste the code we copied earlier. Click save. So for us to view the front end, we have to import the components we added into app.js. So we'll open app.js and add these two components here. As you can see, the submit job component and the view job component, they're there here. So let's see what our app.js looks like. So it still has functionality for the MERN stack application, so it's easier for us to just copy and paste this into our app.js. So click save here, and when you have pasted the content, this source code, what will be left is to run npm run build again in the client directory so that we can build the new version of our job board. So let's add this CSS file in order to style our components, because as it is currently we have just added the JS files but they are not styled nicely. So we'll go ahead and add the contents of the CSS file here. Okay, we copied the contents of the CSS file and then we paste it to app.css in order to make our front end look nicer. So let's open app.css here. All right. So after pasting this, we can now run npm run build in the client directory in order to build our front end. And then after building the application, we'll be ready to view the front end. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's stop this and cd into the client directory and run npm run build again. Okay. Okay, so the build is finished. So let's cd back into the project root folder and run node index.js in order to start our application, our backend application there. And we'll refresh this to see the new layout. And as you can see, it now has the job board layout. So that's it for this part. In the next part, we'll look at how to extend the backend. Till next time, cheers.